Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the hottest questions in the business world right now. What is the hottest business to start today? Whether you're a small business owner struggling to keep up or somebody ready to just take a new leap, I've got the answer for you. And trust me, this business model can set you up for financial freedom without the stress and overhead of a traditional business. Hi, I'm Natasha, and after running a construction business for the last 7 years, I know firsthand how difficult it can be to make a business profitable with all of the costs, the stress, and the constant hustle. But I found something that completely changed my life, and I'm here to share it with you. The hottest business to start right now is an online business focused on digital products. Why? Because it has low startup costs, high scalability, and the potential for reoccurring income. All the things that we dream of as business owners. Let's break it down. Why are digital products so hot right now? First, we're in the middle of a digital revolution. People are constantly looking for ways to learn new skills, solve problems, or improve their lives online. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, software, memberships, the demand for digital products is skyrocketing. The best part? Once you create these products, you can sell them over and over again without having to worry about inventory, shipping, production costs. Your investment can go a long way when you're building something that's 100% digital. The hottest businesses right now are those that can provide reoccurring income. Think about it. Just like we have reoccurring bills, why not have reoccurring income? Digital products like subscription services or membership sites are a great way to generate steady, predictable revenue every month. You're not constantly chasing new sales because you have a base of loyal customers who pay you regularly for ongoing value. This is the key to creating a sustainable, profitable business that grows while you focus on other areas of your life. Now, I know the idea of starting an online business might sound overwhelming, but that's where the Legacy Builder program comes in for me. This program is designed to help you create and sell digital products even if you have no tech skills, no online experience, and limited time. I was in the same boat. I came from a traditional labor-intensive business with little knowledge of how to navigate the online world. But with the Legacy Builder program, I learned how to build a system that does all of the selling and telling for me, so I can focus on creating content and connecting with my audience. The digital economy is booming, and this is the perfect time to get in on it. The longer you wait, the more opportunities you're going to miss. This isn't just a trend, it's a shift in the way the businesses operate, and it's here to stay. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be able to build a business that brings in reoccurring income and frees you from the grind of traditional work. Plus, with the Legacy Builder program, you have a step-by-step blueprint to follow, so you're never going in blind. So if you're ready to start the hottest businesses of today, an online business selling digital products that creates reoccurring income and financial freedom, comment ready down below and I will show you how to get started with the Legacy Builder program. Trust me, this is the best decision you'll ever make for your future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips, and I will see you in the next video.